Hey, this is DeLegend, the one and only. I'm down here working today in Surf City, down kind of north of where I live. Some people call it Topsail, North Topsail, Surf City, Topsail. Anyway, I'm gonna show you what the view looks like here. I'm down here on South Shore Drive. So let me show you what this is all about. You know, a lot of my coworkers, they hate working Saturdays, and I get it. But with a view like this, wait till you see. You ready? Look at that. How can you hate that? Especially in September, as flat as it is, you know, you're getting just enough with the longboard. You could have some fun, or you could sponge it all day. But let's go up one more level. Let's go up to the top deck. Check this out. So nice. Nobody out there. How can you hate it? Honestly. Alright, gonna go up to the top deck. And yes, I am working, believe it or not. I'm supposed to be inspecting today. Doing a little bit of pest control, but you know, I'm inspecting. It's just nuts how nice it is. You know what? I'll work every Saturday as long as I get a view like this. I mean, honestly. I mean, I love it. Can you see the surfer guy with the little board back over that way a little bit? Oh my God, it's so nice. Anyway, I just had to brag a little bit. All you guys sitting at home, ladies too, you don't know what you're missing. I'm out here working, and look at what I get to see. But that's about it. Till next time, DeLegend out.